Okay, we need to find the equation of the line through these 2 points using point-slope form, then rewrite the equation into slope-intercept form. So, point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So to do this, we need a point, x1, y1, and we need the slope. So remember, y and x just stay as themselves. All right. Well, we have a point. We could use either of these 2 points, but we don't have the slope. So in this one first, we need to use our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We'll use these 2 points to find that. So if you want, you can label them if that helps. So we have our first point x1, y1, our second point x2, y2, and then we'll just substitute those in. So y2 is -1 minus y1, which is 5, over x2, which is 2, minus a -1. Notice I'm using parentheses for the negative number when it's second, because otherwise it's easy to forget that negative sign. Now make sure you have either this whole point in the first spots, like we do here, -1 and 2, or this whole point, the point 1 in the first spots. You need to be consistent. So -1 minus 5, well, we're down 1, we go down 5 more, we'll be at -6. 2 minus a -1 is really like 2 plus 1, so over 3. And then that will simplify to -6 divided by 3, which is -2. So now we're going to use that point, -2. We're going to use one of these 2 points. Doesn't even matter which one, so I'll just use that second one. And we're going to put these into point-slope form. So we have our x1 here, our y1 here. We will do y minus, again I'll use those parentheses, minus a -1 equals m, which is -2, times x minus x1, x minus 2 there. So y minus a -1 becomes y plus 1 equals, let's go ahead and distribute. We get -2x plus 4. We'll minus 1 from each side to finish solving for y. So y equals -2x plus 3. So that's our final answer. So if you're given 2 points, first find the slope, and then use the slope and either of those 2 points, doesn't matter which, put it into point-slope form, and then solve for y.